Welcome. Have you ever sent a WhatsApp message and immediately spotted a typo or wished you could rephrase it? Good news. WhatsApp now allows you to edit messages even after sending them. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to edit a message before it's finalized. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you've updated it to the latest version from your App Store. This feature is only available in the most recent updates, so don't skip this step. Next, navigate to the chat where the message you want to edit is located. Once there, find the specific message you'd like to modify. Long press on that message until a menu appears. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 dots. Tap on them. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your original message. Once the message becomes editable, go ahead and make your corrections or updates. You can fix typos, add more information, or even completely rewrite the text if needed. After making your changes, tap the checkmark or Done button to save and resend your edited message. And that's it. Your edited message will now appear in the chat with an edited label next to it, letting everyone know it's been updated. However, rest assured, your original text won't be visible anymore. Keep in mind that this feature has a time limit. You can only edit a message within 15 minutes of sending it. After that, the option disappears, so act quickly if you spot an error. With this simple process, you can now avoid those awkward moments caused by typos or rushed messages. Editing WhatsApp messages has never been easier. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with friends who might need it too. See you in the next tutorial.